it's Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm taking it back and we're doing what I like to call my OG video. This was, or is, my most popular video on YouTube. It was my, what's on my iPhone 8, 7 Plus. And so I thought I'd do one for my new phone, which is the iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold. It's like the base max model. It's just 128 gigabytes. And yeah, I thought I'd show you what's on it today if you're a little nosy, if you want to see. I am literally in the best mood. The sun is shining. I don't know what's happening with the British weather. We're supposed to be having a storm with like a month's worth of rainfall in 2 days. That was on the news yesterday and now there's literally not a cloud in the sky, so you tell me, you tell me. So I did film an unboxing to this and was going to do like a separate video and setup, but that's just not really my kind of thing. Like I don't think I'd watch that video, so I'm not going to upload it. But I'll insert the little like aesthetic Apple screen sticker removal thing in here. Ah, so excited! That is the heaviest iPhone I have ever had. It's so heavy. I do love the colour of this phone and I definitely think that I maybe prefer the colour of this phone, but I like this. I do like it a lot. Oh, it's so exciting. In terms of accessories, I got this phone case, which is just the Apple like clear MagSafe phone case. And I was first, when I first saw like the iPhone 12 Pro pictures and stuff, I didn't like it. I was like, why do you want a clear phone case with a big circle on it? But it's actually grown on me and I don't mind it. And I like it better with the gold. I have already cracked it. I did do this like last night or the night before. I don't know if you can see in like that top corner here. Yeah, dropped it in the bathroom. We do have like marble floors in the bathroom, so straight away I was like, I have just like smashed my new phone, and I didn't, which is good. So I've just like chipped the corner, which I don't really mind about. I got one of the flippy cool USB like wall plugs, like plug adapters. I'll insert like a cutaway because it doesn't come with one, and on my bedside table I just have USB ports, which this is no longer USB, it's USB-C. So my computer science boyfriend will be very happy with my technology right now. It doesn't fit obviously, so I got a plug, and then I also got one of the like actual MagSafe magnetic chargers, and I ordered my phone at the start of January and it's still not come. And it's now the 22nd, so I don't know when that's going to arrive. Apparently it's arriving today, but I don't know. So yeah, if it arrives before this video goes up, then I'll insert a cutaway. If not, you'll just have to wait like me. And then my boyfriend got me, which is honestly the sweetest thing, he got me like a MagSafe car adapter for my car. Would highly recommend it. You can use it as like a charger obviously, but as a stand it's really helpful because I have a mini, so in terms of like space, there's not like a big compartment, especially for a big phone like this. Again, I'll insert a cutaway. Because we're in a lockdown, I've only driven once to the Chinese to pick up said Chinese, and I use it then and it's phenomenal, so would highly recommend. I think that's all the accessories I got, I'm pretty sure that is, so yeah, that's my little Apple haul. But now on to what is on my phone. My background at the moment is just like this nude cloud vibe. I usually have pictures of like, usually it's a cringe picture of my boyfriend and I, or family or friends and things, and that's kind of like personal, so I don't really want to show that. But I do actually like having like the clouds as a background because I feel like it's quite calming, you know, and I'm very stressed at the moment with work and things, so yeah, appreciate it. So first I just have a calendar widget, and it's actually a calendar widget, it's not like one of those Widget Smith customized theme ones, because I like to be able to like click onto it and not go onto the Widget Smith app if I do have like events on and like stuff like that. So I say events, I don't mean literal events. We're in a global pandemic, I mean like school essays due, woo. Then I have notes, and I am like this person. I love folders. I'm quite organised, I'd say. I'm organised, but it's like organised chaos, so I know what I have to do, I know where it is, I know that like when it's due, I just don't really do it. As you can see, I have a bunch of different ones. This is just from iCloud. Like I fully have a folder for food. What the hell is that? But like book reviews, that was when I was going to do a blog back in like probably like 2016. Then I have mail. I know the amount of mail that I have like unopened will definitely stress some people out, but I basically have like a spam email, and I would really recommend this as like a life hack. You know, sometimes when you have to put your email in and you don't really want to because you know you're gonna get spammed with emails, well, this is where that email is on my phone, because sometimes I do get important emails to that email and sometimes I don't. Largely it's just like top shop notifications and loads of just crap that I just don't want and probably need to go through and like unsubscribe from mailing lists. But am I going to do that? No. So I do have that on there, as well as like my YouTube email where I like deal with brands, do like sponsorships and stuff. So yeah, that's that. I'm giving like really big explanations and I highly doubt that you care. Then I just have photos and camera. Shall we do a little camera check? I can't get like my notifications to stop coming through even though I'm on Do Not Disturb, so that's just a con. So as you can see, the camera's quite good. When you zoom out, it's like pretty zoomed out, and then when you zoom in, it's like very zoomed in. So that was my really eloquent, intelligent description of zooming in and zooming out. Then I have to-do list, and now, believe me, I convert my boyfriend into doing everything that I do. I had this widgets thing, minimalist list, to-do list. He's got it, like, what can I say? So it's this app called Minimalist. It's so like plain and simple. You basically just swipe down to add something. So I'll just do like edit video, except for I can't spell, even though I can. And then once I've done it, you just like swipe across to do it, or like if you delete it. And what also I love about this app is I like working to music, but I don't like classical music. It's just depressing, and then I'm like not going to do the work. And then pop music, I just get distracted. So with this, say if I was going to do like my history source work, which I probably should be doing now, I just click on start. I don't know if you can hear. So the sounds that you can have are like forests, water, fire, and they're just kind of like a good background noise, or I like them as background noise, just because they're not distracting, but I don't like working in silence because then I just go on my phone. Really like that app. Then I just have Snapchat, which I do have a YouTube Snapchat, which is JasmineElizabeth, and if I ever upload a video, I do put the kind of promo on there. However, I don't use it in terms of like posting things on my story because I just use my personal one for that. So if you want to follow me, then you can, but if you're going to follow me on anything, how to follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram. As you can see, when was the last time I uploaded? November of 2018. I'm really good at this. I fully lost about like 500 followers because I just don't upload, which is completely fine, but I am going to really try and make an effort, so like definitely follow me so I'm motivated. And also I always put on my story when I do upload, so you can, you know, get there first and I'll reply to your comment. Also, I do like reply and chat with you guys on DMs on here, like more personally. If I'm ever going to do a Q&A, I'll ask on here. Instagram's where it's at, so like follow me on my YouTube Instagram if you want to. You don't have to. I probably wouldn't if I was you. Then we have Facebook, again personal. Twitter, again personal. I'm just like such a closed book. Twitter fully will make me cry at like 4 o'clock in the morning because I'll read someone's view and it'll just piss me off. So yeah. Then I have WhatsApp. Shock, it's personal, and Messenger and Pinterest, all of which you cannot follow me on because this is just like a really boring video. Then we have YouTube. You can like and comment and subscribe if you really want to. Then we have at the bottom phone, Safari, messages. Again, you can't see them. Then we have Spotify, which I will show you. So my current fave at the moment is probably $1 Million Bill by Whitney Houston. That song, if you want a feel-good song, listen to it. It is so good. And then obviously Zayn's new album, really like that. They're my favourite songs in at the moment. And then the others are like okay, bit meh, just kind of filling up the January folder. If you guys want me to do like a drive with me to like throwback songs, then definitely let me know. I'll insert a poll and you can vote. Then on the next page comes a cringe. So at the top I have like a Widget Smith of a photo, which is a quote which says, "Once upon a time you were a little girl with big dreams that you promised you'd make real one day. Don't disappoint yourself." So I don't know if you can tell throughout the theme of this video that like I'm trying to be motivated and productive. So that's why that is there, because I know when I was younger, like all of the things that I wanted, that's just like a motivating quote that I have on there. Very cringe, I know, but it's just there. Then TikTok, again it's private, but I don't know whether to make my TikTok or make another TikTok, which is like JasmineElizabeth TikTok. If you want me to do that, then let me know. Like fashion, would I do fashion videos? I don't really know. Like dancing, that's probably really cringe. Let me know, because I do actually like TikTok, so yeah. Then I have Outlook. Now it's on 110, and on Monday I get like quite an important email, so it's my 111th email, so I'm hoping that I don't get any emails before Monday. The likelihood of this happening is very slim, but if I don't, then the email is going to be my 111th email, and hopefully that means it will be a good email, and if it is, then I'm going to do a video uploaded on Wednesday with like a reaction. If it's not, I am going to do like a UCAS reaction video, so it'll be in there, so stay tuned for that. And then I have a bunch of folders, so I just have general, it's just like general apps and things in there. None of which I probably should explain, you kind of know all of these. Then I just have photo and video, and these are my fave apps for it. UN or Unum, really good for like laying out your feed. Unfold do really good kind of Instagram story, like backgrounds and vibes and things if you want to make it a bit cooler. And then VSTO is just kind of how I edit all of my pictures. Not that I upload on my YouTube Instagram very often, but if I was to, I would edit the picture on VSTO. Then I just have iMovie just in case I need to ever edit anything on my phone. It's not very often. YouTube Studio, so I can see like the analytics of my video, how it's doing. Usually it's doing very badly because I never upload. And then Bazart, which is how I edited my Zara haul, because I'd taken all the pictures on my phone for the thumbnail, so it's easier to do it on there. So if you're interested in that, or like want cutouts on photos and want to edit it on your phone, but there's Canva as well, and that's really good for kind of like graphics and things as well. And then into productivity, I just have Google Docs and Google Drive, which Google Drive is where I store like all of my work. Then I just have LinkedIn, which is obviously like personal, Zoom because that's what my life consists of, Student Room again, so I can just check like forums about universities and things. Oh, it's all a bit stressful and real. OneDrive, because if I ever like edit anything on my laptop and I need it on my phone, then I can do that that way. And then just the app for minimalist, which is what the widget goes with. Then I have health, and clearly from looking at me you can see I'm an absolute health queen. So I have Clue, which is like a period tracker app, and it's usually quite reliable. Like I've been tracking my periods on there for like years, so that might be why, because it has a lot of data, but I find it really reliable. My Fitness Pal, which is where you can track calories. Fitbit, I used to have a Fitbit, I don't have any more. I'm really debating whether or not to get a Fitbit or an Apple Watch, because I do want to make more of an effort to kind of get fit and stuff. So let me know your guys' recommendations, which one you prefer. I personally don't like the look of them. Like I'd rather wear like bracelets or a nice watch, which isn't like a fitness watch, but that's just my personal preference. So I don't know whether spending like however much pounds on an Apple Watch is the best idea when I would only wear it when I'm not seeing anyone as like a fitness thing, or just to get like a Fitbit. So I don't really know, so let me know what you guys think I should do. Then also in there I have the health app, Strava, which I have from the first lockdown, as within like my hockey group we did like kind of competitions, not competitions, but we all had challenges to like run a certain amount each day, and it's really good for tracking like your runs, time, distance, all that kind of stuff. And then Couch to 5K, which I would really recommend to someone who wants to get into running. I did this in the first lockdown and I just really like it. It's really good, especially if you don't want to do an intense run. You could probably just like skip to maybe like week 3, and then it's kind of like a moderate run. Like it's not so easy, but it's not like really hard. So yeah. And then shopping, I just have a few apps in there. ASOS, Zara, Amazon, Uni Days, and not on the high street. I don't want this to make me sound like a posh twat, but I always forget to use my Uni Days like student discount. Like I just forget, and I order something like, shit, I could have used student discount on that. So yeah, I'm clearly just stupid. But then I have Psych, which is our go-to Zoom game at the moment, as there's not much else we can do. We're all quizzed out. If you have any like good Zoom games, then definitely let me know. And then I just have like a bunch of just like video streaming entertainment apps like Sky Go, Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, and Fire TV. So yeah, that's pretty self-explanatory. I'm not really like watching anything at the moment. I don't really have the time, if I'm being honest, even though we're in lockdown, I know. If you guys have any like film or series recommendations, let me know. I have seen Bridgerton because I feel like everyone will recommend that. And then the last app that I have on there is Just Eat, because we did order a takeaway last night and I did go and pick it up. So yeah, that is everything which is on my iPhone. I fully have a lesson starting in 4 minutes. I've not eaten anything for lunch. I am so hungry. So yeah, feel loved and appreciated. So yeah, I'm gonna love you and leave all here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then let me know by giving it a like. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I'm riding, just know that you won't never have to wonder.